If you're writing about parenting, child wellness, or education, you know how hard it is to turn a topic into a full blog with structure, visuals, SEO, and actual value. But this blog that you're seeing right now, with title, images, layouts, even FAQs, infographics, and no, I didn't spend hours writing it. This was created using Autoblogging.ai and it takes less than 3 minutes. Let me show you how I did that. Inside the dashboard, go to the left panel. There are different modes like Quicks, Wizard, Single, Bulk Generate. I'm going to go with Wizard because it gives you a full control over how your blog is built, from tone to structure to extras like images and FAQs. Alright, article title, I'm going to type how to help your child build healthy screen time habit. Now, this tells AI exactly what the topic is and sets the focus for the entire blog. Article language, I'm going to keep it English, but you can also choose 30 languages here. So if your blog targets a different region, you can quickly pick one. For the length, I'm going to go with medium because this size is ideal for parenting guide. But here's what others do. Short is great for a best quick tips or newsletter style, and long is more detailed educational content like a deep dive post or an expert level content. So medium. For this, I am going to go with informative because we are explaining a concept and offering a helpful steps. But here's what others do. Listicle is great for creating a point-to-point list format. Places is it creates a location-based content, and service bar landing pages builds a landing page style blog, good if you're offering a service. Here I'm going to pick second person, so the blog speaks directly to the reader. Yeah, but first person is like a personal blog, and third person is more like neutral and formal. So second person. For the style, I'm going to go with professional because parenting content often needs to feel calm, clear, and credible. But here's what other options are. Auto lets AI choose what fits the best for your blog. Less AI words makes it sound more human-like. Premium style 1 is more SEO-focused structure. Snippet optimizer is designed to help you rank in the Google snippet feature. Witty adds a playful tone and conversational is more relaxed and everyday language. So professional. Now these 4 boxes options are like magic and I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized, it improves the blog's layout and keyword clarity. FAQs will add common questions from real search queries from Google. AI images will add loyalty-free visuals related to the topic, and infographic inserts visuals that help explain concept simply. So you don't have to upload or do anything manually. AI will do its job by itself. SERP Analysis. Now this feature checks the top blogs that are already ranking on Google for this particular topic, and it builds your blog using a similar structure. That way you're not guessing anything. You're building something based on what's already ranking. You just have to enable this, and in the source context box you can quickly write how you need your article to be, and you can also select the location where you want to rank first. And again I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Okay, outline from competition copies the layout of successful blogs. External link will add links to a trusted parenting source. YouTube video will embed a related video in your blog, and key takeaways will add a summary section at the end of your blog. AI proofreading, just turn this on and quickly leave a note. Let's say keep the tone warm, friendly and readable. Then AI will review the grammar, improve structure flow and clean up anything that sounds clunky. Alright. Next, internal linking. Now if you already have published blogs on topics like screen-free activities or family routines, just enable this and paste your blog here. Autoblogging will link this new article to those posts automatically, and this helps with SEO and improves readers' engagement. Human proofreading. Now if you want a real editor to go through the blog, just enable this. and you can quickly leave a short note like double check all screen time recommendations and 8 suggestions where you need in your article to be, or you want to cross check. So it uses a human proofreading credit which you can buy inside the dashboard. Generate article and then go to the history tab. Scroll down and click on the view icon. And that's it. Your parenting blog is ready. Your structure, healthy habit tips, FAQs, images, and SEO already included. Here's a shortcut tip for the next time. If you already know your setting, you can simply go in the single mode and just enter the title and click fewer steps. It's just as same as wizard but with fewer clicks. And you can also use a bulk generate options where you can upload 10 to 100 titles and generate blogs for all at once. You can even auto post directly to the WordPress. So if you create content for families, educators, or parenting platforms, Autoblogging.ai makes sure your process is faster, easier, and more consistent. And if writing isn't your thing, or you just don't have the time, we also offer the Done For You blog service, so your blog gets written, formatted, and delivered. Have a topic in mind? Drop in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe. I've got more educational blog demos coming up soon.